Is it normal to use a summer and winter blend? Unfortunately, yes, we see that a lot. It's something that companies use to manage the temperature fluctuations from season to season. So as it gets cooler and the viscosity changes and our customers can't control the weather, what they do is they control what they can control. And they control their material, and in a lot of cases they'll even control their robot programs. So they have winter material blends, winter robot program blends, and summer blends. So why do they have winter and summer blends? Well, it all goes to manage their viscosity. When the temperature changes, the viscosity changes. When the viscosity changes, their dispense pattern changes. And when the dispense pattern changes, they'll see changes in finished product and ultimately quality issues. So having multiple blends is expensive, and it doesn't allow for consistency. So imagine if you could find that season that was perfect for your dispensing operation. Imagine if you could make it that way every day. So say it's the end of May. You get great dispenses at the end of May. What we can do with temperature control is make that consistent temperature, viscosity, spray pattern, all that stuff happen as if you're operating on your best day every day.